This is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch whatever calendar app you use on your phone. By default, it's going to be Google Calendar. Then the next order of business is to select the date or the particular day that we would like to set the said event on. So let's say I'll go with 20th of May. Then hit the plus button to your bottom right. Choose an event option from the list that pops up next. And now it is time to set all event details such as its title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, participants, link to the video conference, location, notifications preferences, or simply saying set the time you would like to be reminded about this event. Then you can pick the color you would like for this event to represent at the calendar. Then you can write the description or attach some file if necessary. But pretty much everything that is in here, but the name is optional. Then hit the save button, and here you have the event. Alrighty, so that will be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.